If you're watching this video, it's because the USPTO examining attorney has approved your trademark application for publication. So we're right here. What this means is within the next couple of weeks to a month, it really depends upon when the timeline when they approve it, your application is actually going to be published in the official gazette. Back in the day, it used to actually be a piece of, a paper that got published, I believe, every Tuesday and sent out to law firms if you subscribe to it, so that you can see what has been approved, and it gives you a chance to oppose the application. So what this is essentially a time period for third parties to oppose your application. Nowadays, everything is done on computers, so they just publish it on the internet, and most of the time you have something that's called a watch service to watch for trademarks that are similar to yours, or if you know a competitor had filed for one, you can monitor it, and that would give you a time period of when you can actually oppose theirs. And publication is, as I said, they actually publish it for 30 days. And if no one opposes it within those 30 days, then it moves on to publication. Alternatively, someone could file for an extension of time to oppose, which they must do within that 30-day period, and then they can get more time. They can get 30 days for free, or they can pay some extra, and they'll get a total of 90 days to extend their time to file that opposition. Sometimes they will reach out to try and negotiate something, whatever their potential issue is with your application. So assuming no one opposes it, there's no issues. If you filed based on intent to use, then you would receive your notice of allowance at the end of that. If you filed based on actual use in commerce, meaning you sent in specimens, at this point it would go on to registration, and in about 2 months after the publication period expires is usually when you receive the registration certificate, which in a couple of days they're going to be doing only digitally from now on, rather than a hard copy, which looks like this. So this could be yours. All right. Any questions, feel free to reach out. Jason Rosenblum here. If you're a client, we will, of course, keep you updated on the status of your application. And if you're not a client and have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.